Arts Family Crafts. Oh my!
What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be making
chicken.
Well, I don't. It does look like a chicken a little bit, but we're gonna be making turkeys. What's coming up? What's coming up next? What's coming up soon?
Thanksgiving in 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks
I think it's closer than that.
Guys, I'm preparing on the 26th because it's on the 26th.
Probably 4 days or 2 days or 3 days or 4 days.
Yeah, we don't know what day. I gotta look on the calendar.
No, my daddy told me earlier.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
It's the 26th. I literally labeled it on the board.
I think they labeled it on the calendar.
Yeah, I colored it.
Alright, so before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want the latest videos coming soon. Alright, so the first thing what we're going to need is we're going to need some construction paper. We're going to need some white paper or computer paper. You're going to need some regular glue. You're going to need some stick glue. You're going to need some
tacky glue.
Cotton balls, red. We're going to need some feathers. Some pipes. And what else are we missing? Oh, we're going to need some eyes.
Scissors too.
Yep, you're going to need scissors. You're going to need eyes. If not, you can always glue it right on.
Feathers.
And some feathers.
Oh, guys, don't forget for the pipes, you actually have to axe repair because you don't want it falling in your plant or something. You don't want it falling somewhere.
Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we each gonna get a piece of paper. So you get one piece of white paper. Then what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your whichever hand you like. I'm gonna do the right hand. Kevin wants to do actually I'm doing the left hand. Kevin wants to do the right hand. Ava wants to do what? The left, the right hand. I'm getting the right and the left wrong.
I'm gonna do the both.
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna trace out your hand.
And guys, if you don't feel like you don't feel like it's good, you can always ask the parent to do it for you.
Kevin already asked me already. He said he wants me to do it for him, so I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, because I'm terrible at tracing.
Sometimes it's better to let somebody else do it for you because sometimes it comes out better. That way, not always.
Ooh, that feels like a
did
massage.
it.
Guys, sometimes when they do it, it feels like a
look at Ava's hand. Alright, so oh god. So now Kevin has his hand. Let me see Ava's hand. Let me see yours. Ava's hand.
I need the pencil. Oh, this is like
and
you want to draw a line.
You're gonna draw a line at the bottom. You're gonna complete it. So wait, hold on. You gotta.
Guys, don't forget to ask the parent for the scissors.
All right, so we're gonna cut it. Just hold on 1 second. So now we got this. That Kevin, I got mine. Ava got hers. So now we're all gonna sit here. We're gonna cut it out. So Ava's gonna try to cut it. And if you can't cut it by yourself, make sure you ask a grown up. So now that we have this cut out, I have my hands cut out.
You want to get your papers.
You want to get your paper. So Ava, she always loves her purple. So here's your purple.
Yeah.
I'm going to do brown this time. Kevin likes his blue.
You always have lines on your hands, okay guys?
So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue.
Always put lines on your hands.
You're gonna glue it and then you're going to stick it on. Alright guys, so now the next thing you want to do after you do that is you're going to take your eyes and you're going to glue it right to the head. So we're going to take the eyes and we're going to glue it. Alright guys, so now after we did that, the eyes, so now I already drew it already. You're gonna make some triangles for the mouth, and we're gonna cut it out. Alright guys, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a scissor, and what you're gonna do with the cotton ball is you're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut the
little portion of the cotton ball.
Yep, because we don't want to put the whole thing on it. So we're gonna cut it
like
just like that. And then the last. Yep, we're gonna make it look just like that.
Guys, I think I like the turkey because it's pretty cool.
Trying to tickle me with the
guys, look how it's turning out.
Yep, it's coming out nice.
Yeah.
So now what you're gonna do is now we're gonna glue this on underneath.
Amy's already glued her feathers. I'm surprised.
Alright guys, so now the next thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the wings. So we're gonna take the glue, we're gonna do the wings.
Feather.
Yep, so now we got the brown feathers for that. Alright guys, so now the next thing we're gonna do now, we got that done, we're gonna do the feathers. Alright, so now the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the pipes and make little legs.
I can cut it.
Okay, so Ava's gonna try to cut it, but you really need a grown up to do it because it's hard to cut because it's metal. So this is our finished result. This is Kevin's. This is Daddy's. This is Ava's.
So guys, so what you want to do is write on the bottom and
Kevin's gonna write his name.
Yep. So Kevin's writing his name. Ava did it already. I did it already.
And that spells name. And then you want to write a line. It doesn't have to be that perfect. You want to write your name.
And now she's like decorative designing her turkey. Alright guys, so if you guys want to follow, like I said, if you don't have feathers, you can always color the hands. If you don't have the eyes, you can always color the eyes in. You don't have the beak, you can always draw it in. If you don't have any of the stuff like the pipes or the feathers, you can always draw the color and design it your own way.
And
so
guys,
this is our end result. Gobble gobble gobble.
Guys, look. So I told you earlier. I hope you spell the name. Guys, again, if you didn't hear,
okay, guys.
You
want to do the same thing like Kevin.
Then you draw a line.
Then you put your name. All right, guys. So we are out of here. So guys, make sure you like and you subscribe to our channel.
We are out.
That's right. We are out.
Guys,
Kevin wants to say something.
Before we're out, we always forget our dab.
Oh yeah, we have to do the dab and right. You ready to do the dab?
Yeah. Dab. Our family crack.
All right, guys. So we are out.
Bye.
Whoa. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh God.
Happy Thanksgiving from
Gobble gobble gobble.